graduates, okay, and they have done the graduation from the IIT. So you can assume that a quality type of faculties member provided by this university. So in terms of faculties member, overall fine, no doubt regarding that. Okay. Now moving to our very important section, that is placement. So what about the placement of this university? Because every student want to get into such university or such college where they will get a at least average placement. Okay. So in terms of placement also this is fine, but I will later talk about the cons, that what is cons in this. So in terms of placement, especially in CSC and what can I say, BCA, MTech courses, so that are fine. I've already discussed about that. These have a collaboration with various companies that such as Microsoft and other two. Okay. So you can see here that till now highest package for the BTech is 50 LPA. So you can understand that what the importance of that. Okay. And all of them students are from the computer science. Okay. And also have some other two. Okay. So you can have a detailed view of that year. Okay. So overall student place in 2021-2022, that is 2570 plus, and still campus drive is going on. Okay. Besides that, 96.07% placement in 2021-2022, and these are the some recruiters. Okay. Because recruiters again play an important role. Okay. So which recruiter come, that also decide the future of student. Okay. So these are the some important recruiters such as IBM, Infosys, Xavier, Bosch, Nestle. Okay. And variety of recruiter, Nick Group, Novartis, BBIS, Panasonic, Persistence, that is important. Okay, Pidilite. So variety of recruiters available in this. Okay, beside Reliance, Realball, Samsung, Royal Enfield. So these are the some companies that visited. So in terms of placement, this is one of the fine. Okay, okay. So highest I've already discussed that 50 LPA. So you can understand these are the detail you can see here. Okay. So these are the details of the various departments. School of Business, highest salary 30 LPA, average salary 6.47 LPA. That is again marvelous. School of Law, number of students placed till now 287, highest salary 13, and average salary 4.228 lakh. Okay. Besides that, there are various students who got the summer internship too. So you can check out that there. Okay too. Moving to next section, that is very important about the life at UPS. So what about the life in this? Okay, means whether the campus life is good or not. So let me have you the campus tour of. So you can have a look here that what are the marvelous university and almost all facilities available that I have already discussed, library, good campus and all things. Okay. So this is all about the UPSC Dehradun. So, hey guys, now talking the last section, that is very important, that what about the pros and con. Okay, because again pros and con is very important for any university. Okay, so what about the pros and con of this? So pros is that yeah, this have a good facilities. You can also avail that the location by GTU on the outstanding university. Okay, that is all good. And cons is that one important, that some of the branches is not so good. Okay, so especially I am talking about the some of the BCA course especially. Okay, almost means all the other one that have a fine, but in term of BCA that is little bit low. Okay, but overall placement is fine, so you can assume that. So not much more cons, but that was the cons. Okay, so I hope guys you are all doubt regarding the UPES Dehradun, that is one of the prominent university in the Dehradun and Uttarakhand. Your all confusion or all doubt will be clear. If you still have any doubt, then you can fill up the form. Okay, and you can also apply through that link. Okay too. I am again telling you that form cost is just 1350, so you can fill out that form too. Okay, I will provide that all link in the description box, so you can check out that. Okay, and if you still have any doubt, then you can contact them too. Okay, so no any doubt regarding that. So फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था. टिल देन बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.